Introducing the 2011 Holden Commodore SV6. The Commodore is a rear-wheel drive four-door sedan with 5 seats, powered by a 3.6-litre naturally aspirated V6 engine that has 210 kilowatts of power and 350 Newton-meters of torque via a 6-speed automatic transmission. Holden claims the Commodore uses 10.1-litre per 100 kilometers of unleaded petrol in the combined city and highway cycle while putting out 241 grams of CO2. It has a 71-litre fuel tank, meaning it should be able to travel 703 kilometers per full tank. The Commodore has received a 5-star rating from ANCAP. Some of the convenience and safety features are: dual front airbag package, anti-lock braking, auto climate control with dual temp zones, alarm system, a remote anti-theft, 17-inch alloy wheels, brake assist, cruise control, CD with 6 CD stacker, central locking remote control, cloth trim, electronic brake force distribution, electronic stability program, fog lights front, head airbags, engine immobilizer, leather steering wheel, mobile phone connectivity, parking distance control rear, power front seat driver, power mirrors, power steering, power windows, radio CD with 7 speakers, seat belts, pre-tensioners front seats, side front airbags, trip computer, traction control system, air conditioning, 18-inch alloy wheels, body kit, rear spoiler, sports suspension. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found our video informative. We offer same-day finance approval and extended warranty options. We also offer contactless purchasing. We provide Australia-wide delivery too. If you have any inquiry, please do give us a call, and one of our representatives will be able to answer any of your queries. We look forward to hear from you soon.